If you work in AutoCAD, knowing how to add text quickly is one of those basics that can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add text in AutoCAD using both multi-line text and simple text, so you can choose the method that fits your drawing best. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Once your file is open, you can start adding text right away. The first method is the most common one for notes, labels, and longer comments, and that is MTEXT. On your keyboard, type MTEXT and press Enter. This command opens the multi-line text tool, which is perfect when you want to create a text box that can hold multiple lines of information. After you activate MTEXT, click once in the drawing area where you want the text to begin. This sets the first corner or starting point for your text. Then move your cursor to size the text box and click again to create the full text area. This step is important because the box defines the space your text will occupy. Once the box appears, simply type the text you want to add. You can write notes, labels, dimensions, descriptions, or any other information you need inside the drawing. As you type, AutoCAD will keep the text inside that box, which makes it easier to control formatting and line breaks. When you're finished, you can click outside the box or press Ctrl plus Enter to complete the command. That will lock in your text and place it into the drawing. If you ever need to edit it later, you can usually double-click the text to make changes. Now let's look at the alternative method, which is simple single-line text. This is useful when you only need one short line, such as a label, identifier, or small note. To do this, type text and press Enter. AutoCAD will start the single-line text command. Next, click where you want to place the text in the drawing. This chooses the insertion point for your text. After that, AutoCAD will ask you for a text height. Enter the height you want and press Enter. Text height controls how large the letters will appear, so choose a value that fits your drawing scale. Then AutoCAD may ask for a rotation angle. If you want the text to stay straight, you can simply press Enter again. If you want it angled, type the rotation value instead. Now type your text and press Enter to place it. Unlike MTEXT, this method is more compact and is best for short, straightforward text entries. It's also a great option when you want fast annotation without setting up a full text box. So to recap, use MTEXT when you want paragraph-style notes, multi-line labels, or more control over the text area. Use text when you want a quick single line of text with simple placement. Both tools are easy to use once you understand the workflow, and both are important parts of working efficiently in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more AutoCAD tutorials and software how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.